Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to give your iPhone stolen device protection a boost. Apple released iOS 17.4 and the update brought new features and bug fixes to your iPhone like new emoji for everyone and the ability for people in the EU to download other app stores. But it also gives you more control over the security of your iPhone with more stolen device protection settings. However, if you frequent a coffee shop or live in an apartment building and you lose your iPhone at one of these places, your data could still be at risk. Your iPhone might recognize these places as familiar locations and allow the another person to bypass this security feature. With iOS 17.4, you can reset your iPhone to always require the 1 hour security delay no matter where you are. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For this, open settings. Next, scroll down and then tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Next, scroll down and tap stolen device protection. Tap on it. Tap the toggle next to stolen device protection if it's not already enabled. If it's already enabled, go to the next step. Tap always under required security delay. Now, whether or not you are in a familiar location like your home, your device will always require the 1 hour security delay if you or someone else tries to access your changed certain settings on your iPhone, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to give your iPhone's a stolen device protection a boost, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.